Hey everyone, we're Super Pros 2025 again. So we added our certificate that they gave us to our wall here. So this is been posted on your wall, and I got to show you this. This is really cool. We got some swag they sent us, and we're putting that swag up here on our van right here, and we're gonna boast about it. Look at this cool sticker here. We got this cool powered by Housecall Pro, and ain't that the truth? A-1 cleaning service is definitely powered by Housecall Pro. Here's some more swag that we got. We snagged some swag from them again. We got this cool little sticker right here, which says, "On my way." Don't forget to push "on my way," start, and finish. And then we added a little bit on top, upload before and after photos. Probably a good idea to do because we got to have some accountability. So hey, thank you Housecall Pro for doing that, and we look forward to being Housecall Pros again in 2026. Over and out.
Call A-1 looking fine. All 4423229.